Imagine quitting your 9 to 5 just 90 days from now. Sounds crazy? It's possible, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income fast. Whether you're just starting or ready to scale, this roadmap works. Subscribe now. Your freedom starts today. In today's fast-paced digital economy, side hustles have become more than just weekend gigs. They're gateways to financial freedom, creative expression, and, for many, full-time entrepreneurship. But how do you turn your side hustle into your main source of income, and do it in just 90 days? It's not easy, but it's possible with focused strategy, relentless consistency, and smart execution. Here's how the journey unfolds when you commit to turning your passion or skill into a full-blown business. Clarify your vision and set a concrete goal before you even start scaling. It's crucial to define exactly what success looks like for you. What does a full-time income mean in your context? For some, it could be $3,000 per month. For others, it might be $10,000. You need a specific, measurable income goal and a clear understanding of why you're pursuing this path. When your goal is tied to personal meaning, whether it's escaping a toxic job, gaining more time with family, or achieving financial independence, it keeps you grounded when challenges arise. Write this goal down and break it into weekly milestones so that your 90-day target becomes manageable and actionable. Turn your hustle into a high-value offer. A common mistake people make is treating their side hustle like a hobby. To shift gears, you need to productize or package your hustle in a way that offers real, tangible value to a defined audience. If you're freelancing, turn your service into a niche offering with a clear outcome, like SEO optimization for dental clinics, instead of just SEO services. If you're selling products, bundle them, create a brand story, or introduce a subscription model. People don't just buy products, they buy solutions, convenience, and transformation. The clearer and more valuable your offer, the easier it is to scale fast. Build systems that can scale quickly. You cannot scale what you can't systematize. The side hustle that survives and thrives is the one that can be repeated and optimized. Whether it's a content creation pipeline, an email marketing funnel, a client onboarding sequence, or a drop shipping setup, you need systems that save you time and make your business repeatable. Use automation tools, templates, AI, like ChatGPT, and outsourcing platforms to remove bottlenecks. Don't waste precious hours on manual tasks that could be automated. Every minute you save is a minute you can reinvest in growing your income. Validate with real sales, not just like a side hustle is not a business until someone pays you for it. The fastest way to build momentum in 90 days is to validate your idea through real transactions. Stop waiting for the perfect logo, website, or social media presence. Instead, focus on sales. Use your network to get your first few customers, offer beta prices in exchange for testimonials, and ask for referrals. Even one paying customer can provide insights into pricing, messaging, delivery, and customer experience that no amount of market research can offer. Feedback from real transactions is your fastest path to improvement and growth. Market yourself relentlessly and authentically. No matter how good your product or service is, no one will buy it if they don't know about it. In the first 90 days, you must become obsessed with visibility. That doesn't mean becoming spammy. It means showing up with value consistently in the spaces where your ideal customers hang out. Use social media, short-form video, content marketing, and cold outreach. If you're shy about promotion, remember this: your side hustle won't turn into a full-time business if no one knows you exist. The more people you reach, the faster you'll grow. Reinvest every dollar back into growth. At this stage, every dollar you make should go back into your business. Whether it's better tools, professional branding, ad spend, or hiring help, reinvesting in growth is the fastest way to scale. Resist the temptation to spend profits too early. Instead, focus on improving efficiency, expanding your reach, and enhancing your value proposition. If you made $1,000 in your first month, reinvest it into tools that could help you make $2,000 the next. In 90 days, this compounding growth mindset can take you from fledgling freelancer to full-time entrepreneur. Create a client experience that drives word of mouth. Your service or product must be good, but the experience you deliver must be exceptional. When you wow your early customers, they become advocates who spread the word for you. Overdeliver, communicate clearly, and solve problems quickly. Ask for feedback and use it to improve. Word of mouth referrals are not only the most powerful form of marketing, they're also free. And in your early growth stage, they're invaluable. Make every client feel like your most important one, and you'll unlock a powerful momentum engine. Use data to make smart decisions. Tracking your metrics is non-negotiable. How many leads are you generating weekly? What's your conversion rate? What's your average customer value? Without these numbers, you're flying blind. Tools like Google Analytics, email open rates, sales dashboards, and even spreadsheets can help you identify what's working and what needs to be optimized. Use this data to pivot fast. If your sales funnel isn't converting, change your copy. If no one opens your emails, tweak your subject lines. In 90 days, these small adjustments based on data can be the difference between failure and full-time success. Start acting like a full-time entrepreneur. Mindset is everything. If you treat your hustle like a casual gig, it will remain one. You must start acting like the CEO of your own business, even if you still have a 9-to-5. That means blocking out work hours, setting deadlines, tracking income and expenses, and showing up consistently. When you embody this mindset, the world starts treating you like the entrepreneur you're becoming. You stop waiting for permission, stop relying on motivation, and start doing the work, whether you feel like it or not. Exit the 9-to-5 strategically and not emotionally. As your side hustle income approaches or matches your job income, it will be tempting to quit immediately. But a smart exit is better than a fast one. Have at least 2 to 3 months of emergency savings, know your monthly business expenses, and ensure you have predictable revenue, not just one-time wins. Ideally, have a few clients or customers locked into ongoing contracts or subscriptions. Your first full-time month should not feel like a gamble, it should feel like a natural next step. When you transition this way, you'll reduce stress and increase your odds of sustainable success. Your side hustle doesn't have to stay small. With the right moves, 90 days can change your life. If this video gave you clarity or inspiration, drop a comment below and tell me what you're working on. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we're building wealth, one hustle at a time.